Hi, this video will cover syncing an invoice to QuickBooks. Click on Integrations. From the drop-down, whether you're using online or desktop, go ahead and choose from the drop-down the data that you will be syncing. Before you sync any of your data, be sure to visit our website, ProjX360.com, hover over Support, click the Learning Center, click on the tab for Instructions, and review the guides for desktop and online. Look for your section for Invoices, and be sure to follow the requirements. For invoices, there must be a minimum of one line with description and a secondary line description properly filled out. So follow the screenshot, product line with description, along with the secondary line description properly filled out. All clients need to be pushed to QuickBooks and matched. See the client push requirements above. So scrolling up to clients, please be sure first and last name, phone number, email address, and the complete address with country code are properly filled out. Once these are properly synced and mapped with your QuickBooks account, you can proceed back to syncing invoices. Take note, invoices only push from ProjX360 to QuickBooks. After you have pushed the invoices from Projects to QuickBooks, all the changes to that invoice need to be made in QuickBooks. The syncs to QuickBooks are based on new invoices entered since the last sync. The same invoice can't be pushed to QuickBooks more than once, and you have to select your tax rate in QuickBooks. So going back to ProjX360, to verify everything's properly filled out, find the invoice that you're trying to sync. We'll go ahead and try to sync Brian Jackson, work order number 19. Again, make sure the client is properly filled out, which we'll check next. We do have product line descriptions along with that secondary line descriptions. The total is going to be for $3,398.99. And we can verify that Brian Jackson is properly filled out. And as you can see here, first and last name, phone number, email address, and complete address with country. Since that's been properly mapped over to QuickBooks, we can now go to Integrations. From the drop-down, click Invoices and Sync to QuickBooks. Once all your invoices have been properly synced, you can go into your QuickBooks account, click on Invoices, and we'll sort here by latest date. And as this gets toward being complete, you'll notice all your invoices are properly coming over. So as you can see here, from today's date, and the invoice for $3,398.99. So pulling up that invoice, you can see the customer. If any changes need to be made, they can all be done right here in QuickBooks. And you'll notice all of our lines properly ported over to QuickBooks. Again, any lines that need to be removed, just click on the trash can icon. You can add additional lines, clear all lines, or add subtotals. That covers syncing an invoice to QuickBooks. Join us for other videos as we cover each section of the software.